welcome back to National University. And how are you doing? So today I am going to be doing a get ready with me edition. I'm already ready, just I have to clear. So today it is a wig edition, of course, another wig. And so let me show you the wig first. Here is the wig. It's bright. I love the color. It's ombre and then it has like a black root. And it's also a lace front, like somewhere inside there, just the front. So yeah, let's head into the video. First thing I'm gonna do today is I am going to prepare my cornrows. As you can see, I already have my cornrows on, so the first thing I'm going to do is brush my hair and also leave my edges. I'm also going to put some oil on my hair also. So I'm done laying my edges, and I just put a bandana kind of on it to let it set. And while that is going on, I will be starting setting my wig. So what I'm gonna do first, is brush it so it's really smooth, and the hairs that are like, you can't really see it, but your hairs are like poking out, so I'm going to try to smooth that. Right? Okay, now that I'm done brushing, I'm going to remove this, and even if it has a set, I don't, it's not really important for you to lay your edges. It's just one of the things I do sometimes if I want to, you know? So now what I'm gonna do, you see the back, they have like an elastic stuff. So I'm just gonna put that behind and try to put my hair inside it. So let's do that. Also to it to make it shine, and also I'm trying to tilt it down so it's not so puffy and not making my face look weird. Put that all over. So there you go. This is my get ready with me wig edition. So if you like, you can so this is a synthetic wig. Is it a synthetic? No, kind of. I don't even know really. I wasn't the one that bought it. I remember telling you guys in one of my wig videos that I don't buy my wigs. I let someone buy them for me. And these are one of the ones I got, and I really love it. I think you guys have seen this wig in one other video, which I will show the thumbnail right now. But yeah, I love this wig, and it's really good. I love the color, I love the length. Yeah, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe. Don't forget that's very important, and most of all, it is very, very free, so you can subscribe, like, and comment for free, $0. So that is the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. One thing I forgot to mention was that if you also want to stick your wig down more, you can also use a scarf to tie it down and leave it for some minutes, and you will see better results then. So that is all I have for you today, and thank you very much for watching again. Have a good day.